Welcome to the world of premium SUVs. In this video, we will be comparing and contrasting two top contenders in the midsize luxury SUV market, the Range Rover Sport from Landrover and the BMW X5. The Range Rover Sport first debuted in 2005, when Fast 4 X4s were still in their early stages. Everyone's at it now, making it more difficult for the guys and lasses in Gaydon to keep theirs relevant than ever. The Sport arrives just a few months after the full-fledged Range Rover is reborn. It's 35% stiffer and 20mm lower to help justify the suffix, and it comes standard with four-wheel drive and a choice of petrol, diesel, or hybrid powertrains. It may appear strange that the car that started BMW's obsession with massive SUVs should ever appear so lost in the company's vast lineup, but what began in 1999 as just the X5 has now spread to encompass a whole mirror range of BMW's conventional models from 1 to 7, as well as a few extra electric cars, the iX and iX3. Both vehicles have a number of trim levels to choose from. The all-new 2023 Land Rover Range Rover Sport starts at $83,000 for the SEP360, and goes up to $122,975 for the P531st edition. This is a significant increase over the 2022 model year, which was around $12,000 less expensive in its entry-level trim. When it comes to BMW, the 2023 X5 ranges in price from $62,595 for the S-Drive 40i to $86,395 for the M50i. To keep things fair, we will compare trim levels with comparable prices. For the Sport, we believe the more powerful SE Dynamic trim is the way to go. And for the X5, we'll go with the M50i trim level. Starting with designing features, both vehicles feature impressive exterior styling that is sure to turn heads wherever you drive. The new X5 has a dynamic forward-leaning profile with an angular grille that gives it an aggressive feel. By contrast, the Sport offers more traditional appeal along with even greater ground clearance for driving over tougher terrain. Inside each car are well-appointed leather-trimmed interiors filled with plenty of tech bells and whistles like automated parking systems and semi-autonomy features such as lane centering control among many others. The interior design of the Sport is more basic this time around, with fewer buttons and switches and a more streamlined appearance across the cabin. Customers have a choice of real leather or elegant two-tone textile upholstery. The dark-colored chrome accents look incredibly opulent. Front seats with power adjustments are standard, but a set of chairs with up to 22 different adjustment options, massage, ventilation, and winged headrests as an option. Air filtration technology built into the vehicle is intended to reduce odors, germs, viruses, and allergies in the cabin. Superior construction quality is evident in the soft surfaces and lavish-looking controls. There are generous 28 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row of the Range Rover Sport. The reclining second row of the Rover effortlessly folds flat, increasing the volume to 59 cubic feet, which is about typical for the midsize luxury SUV class. But see below unexpectedly, the X5 has far larger cargo room. You can easily load up shopping bags, sports equipment, and other items with 33.9 cubic feet of cargo capacity behind the optional third row. Do you require additional room for baggage and other large items? Simply fold the back seats down to gain up to 72.3 cubic feet of luggage space. The BMW X5 interior room is sufficient for adults in the first and second rows, but the X5's optional third row is solely for children. Once inside, passengers will find a cabin lined with high-quality materials, lots of charging outlets for electronics, and a plethora of luxury features, depending on the option selected. Front power adjustable seats with driver memory are standard. A power-adjustable steering column, heated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, dual-zone automatic temperature control, a motorized rear liftgate, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and customizable ambient lighting are standard on all versions. Massage seats, remote start, soft close doors, acoustic glass, a leather dashboard, and heated front armrests and steering wheel may make the X5 seem like a high-end luxury SUV without breaking the bank. In terms of high-end choices, purchasers may add a Bowers & Wilkins surround sound audio system with diamond-domed tweeters. When it comes to safety, Both vehicles are equipped with modern driver assistance technologies such as cruise control, blind spot warning sensors, lane change assist time delay recognition technology, and airbag sensing systems in the event of an accident or collision. Both have comparable basic models in this regard, although the performance capabilities of these vehicles differ significantly as well, but what may surprise you is how nearly they are matched on overall power output while having vastly different engine arrangements beneath their hoods. The P400 SE Dynamic is powered by a 3.0L inline-6 gas engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission, producing 395 horsepower, as well as a 0 to 60 speed of 5.7 seconds. The X5 M50i features a twin-turbo V8 engine powered by a 3.0L inline-6 gas engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission that produces 523 horsepower and allows it to reach 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds. If riding performance is your priority, the M50i certainly wins with 128 horsepower greater and a 1.8-second faster 0 to 60 time. But when it comes to ride quality, Landrover always comes out on top. This is largely because of its Streetwise Terrain Response System, which gives drivers an ultra-smooth ride even in the worst of conditions. It also makes off-roading adventures possible, including trips to rivers, banks, and nights spent in remote wilderness areas. Ultimately, both engines provide excellent acceleration without sacrificing fuel efficiency, making them standout options when considering real-world usage situations outside of racing tracks. But, if you're anything like me, and you want to gut your friends in tracks, and more cargo space for the weekend, the X5 M50i is the way to go. But if it's ride quality and cutting-edge off-road technology that count, go for the new Range Rover Sport. That is all for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And here are the videos we hand-picked for you to watch next. Life in Luxury, your personal mentor.